Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today, I would like to show you how you can create an envelope in your DocuSign room. This is after you've edited your forms and now you want to send them to your contacts to get signatures. So here on your screen, you can see we're already logged into our KW DocuSign room. And from here, we'll just want to go ahead and click into the room, and you can choose any of the ones that you recently viewed or go to rooms up here. But just go ahead and click into one of the rooms that you want to send the envelope in. Go to your Documents tab, and here you'll just select the documents that you want to be in the envelope. We'll go ahead and choose this one here and this one. And now your hidden menu will appear and you can click on Create Envelope. It will ask you to choose the roles of the people who will sign on these documents. Choose whichever one is appropriate and click Continue. This part may take an extra second. Once your envelope opens, there's three different sections that you'll want to tend to before clicking Next. The first is the document section at the top. It will allow you to see the documents that you just added to the envelope. If you click the View button, please know that this is just a preview. It will not show any fields that you've already filled in. It's just a preview. If you need to put these in different order, you can drag and drop them into a different order. You also have three dots here for more options on each of the documents that will allow you to do other actions as well if you need to. If you've forgotten a form and would like to add it, you can come over here and choose to upload another document. And if maybe you've added one that you no longer need, you can choose the X at the top of the form to remove that particular document from the envelope. Now, that document will still stay within your DocuSign room. It's just removing it from this envelope. From here, scroll down to the recipient section right here. It will have already added your contacts based on your Details tab within your Opportunity and your DocuSign room and the roles that you selected for this envelope. If you need to add any additional people, you can always come down here at the bottom to add recipient. Make sure that their name and their email is correct, and you can choose the action that you would like them to take. You can also customize this further if you need to add an access code or add a private message to this particular recipient. If by chance you no longer need this recipient on the envelope, you can always choose the trash can over to the right to remove them. If you would like to have it in a particular signing order, meaning it would go to this recipient first, and after they sign, then it travels on to the next recipient, then just make sure that you have signing order selected right here on your envelope and make sure the numbers are in the order that you want them to be. You can reorder them by dragging and dropping them if you need to. Just make sure to double check your numbers again, and you may need to update them. If you want the envelope to go out to all the recipients at the same time, you can unselect the signing order and it will go out to all of them. If you need to add a delay, you also have the option to do that here if you need to add a delay in between recipients. Once you're done with the recipient section, scroll down to add message. This is where you can edit the email subject of the envelope itself and also add a message at the bottom right here. This same email will go out to each recipient. If you want to add a custom message for each person instead, you can select custom email and language for each recipient. Then it shows you your first recipient, allows you to change the language of the envelope. This will only change the basic text in your envelope in the actual email that's sent to them. It will not change the language of the documents. You can also then edit the email subject and email message for this particular person and come down to your second recipient and change the language, email subject, and email message for them as well. Once you're done customizing the envelope with these three sections, you can choose Next at the bottom right. This will allow you to add last-minute changes to your forms. You can see on the left-hand side, you can choose which signer or which recipient you would like to edit the fields for. You can add fields and make any changes that you would like to on your existing fields that you've already typed into. If you need any further guidance on this or have any questions at all, you just let us know. Our email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com. Once you're done making the changes on your forms, you have an option to preview it at the top if you would like to. You also have an actions button if you want to just save and close, possibly just to save it until later, until you're ready. Or you can come down here to the send option. You can send later and schedule this envelope to go out at a specific time, or you can go ahead and click send right now and it will go ahead out to your first recipient. That's how you would create and send an envelope in your KW DocuSign Rooms account. Again, if you have any questions at all with this or any of your KW platforms, you can always reach out to us via email. That's support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.